guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so good. Excuse how I'm looking right now. To be honest, I haven't done my hair. I've just kind of washed it and left it, and it's kind of just turned into this and I'm not too sure if I'm going to do my hair today, but that's not why we're here. We're doing a review, as you can see from the title. I'm going to test the honey glue. I don't know if you've ever heard of honey glue. I saw a video of it. I think it came up on my TikTok or it came up on Instagram. I can't remember where, but basically this is kind of like a brow gel. And you know, I've been loving Glossier Brow Boy. I use Refi Brow. I've been advised to try out Soap Brow, which I haven't tried yet. But then I saw this and I thought, oh, this seems really interesting. So if you're looking for a new brow product, this could be for you. We shall see, because I don't know how good it is. But let's just get into it, because I'm eager to kind of just sort this face out, really. So the reason I'm in the bathroom is because I did read the directions, and it does say that you have to apply the honey dipper, which is like the spoolie thing, into water. And obviously I don't have water in my bedroom. I could get a cup, but I just thought it's just besides the point. So I got this from Beauty Bay. I rarely shop on Beauty Bay now, to be honest. So I'm more of a cult beauty girl, but I got this from Beauty Bay. So I've got the directions here, so I'll go through those. But this is what the pot looks like. Right, this is the directions. Apply water to your honey dipper, which is this. Then place the dipper inside the hole within your honey pot. Just obviously take the lid off. Apply pressure and swirl until your honey dipper is coated and the product is sticky paste-like consistency. Then brush the hairs in the direction you would like to set them in. Follow along with your finger, press down the hairs to secure them in place. When secured in the desired shape, take a wipe and clean around the area, removing any excess product so you have a clean canvas for your base makeup. This product is designed to be used before any other face makeup. So I'm just going to wet this spoolie thing and have a dip. So yeah, do that now. Right, so it's really easy to open. I found it really easy to open. Oh, okay. So it does have a hole in. So I was thinking, when they said hole, I thought they just meant they opened the lid at the top of the jar. It actually has a hole in. I've wet this. I might wet it again because it doesn't feel very wet. And now it's wet, I'm going to just pop it in and swirl it around. Really isn't what I thought it would be like. Okay, what does it say? Apply pressure and swirl until your honey dipper is coated and the product is sticky like paste consistency. It smells really nice. I think that should be alright. Yeah, it's a bit sticky, so okay, let's try that. So I have coated it. I've got the product on there. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just gonna apply to my brow. So what I like to do is just go brush up. I've got quite thick brows anyway, but I'd like them to look not scarecrow-like. Right, so that's one brow done, and it says to use your finger and just blend it down. Alright, so there's that one. You can feel it feels really stuck. So that's the difference between one brow and the other. So let's see how we get on with this one. There you go. You can brush those out, smooth them out, and they are well and truly, wow. I look like I've got marker pen eyebrows. They are not, it's not really the desired look for me. So what I'm going to do is just wet the spoolie and see if I can have a play around with it. I mean, because they look a bit scary, don't they? I think I've lifted them too much, so I'm just going to go back in with a bit of water, because look, you can really go crazy. But I just like to have them so they're a bit full. Oh god, look at that. I might have to try this again. I don't mind this eyebrow, can't do it, but this one needs to just sort itself out. So I think I went a bit too wild, thinking that I needed to lift it up a bit, but I don't think I do. So I think that's more like it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wipe it, stick it down, and what it says then is, I think that's a lot better, isn't it? I mean, my eyebrows are just more, you know, sisters, not twins, but they look very full. And they're really stuck down, like I can feel, like you can really feel it on your face. I'm just gonna go and do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look and give my overall thoughts and opinions. Hey you guys, so I've just finished the rest of my makeup. I've literally just put on some lipstick, a bit of blusher and a bit of eye makeup, just like a little bit of powder, just to kind of add a bit more colour to my face. But yeah, this is what my brows look like. They feel very firmly in place, and I actually really like the shape of them. Got a mirror there, so yeah, I think they look really nice. I think, yeah, I'm actually really impressed by them, and they don't have any marks or anything like some of the products that I used previously, like Refi. Love Refi. I think it's amazing to really build your brow, but you do get some white marks on there, like streaks, and it looks like how I would imagine, you know, when you wear hairspray and you after a few hours you get like that flaky white stuff in your hair where it's dried. That's what Refi does to my eyebrows, and I don't know if it's just me, but that's just how it reacts to me, which really frustrates me, if I'm honest, because I would hope that you'd get a bit more longevity out of it, the price that the product is. But anyway, not to complain about Refi, we're here about Honey Brow. So, well, Honey Glue, sorry. So, thoughts. Honestly, love what it's done to my brow. It also smells amazing, and I'm really impressed with kind of how it looks and just kind of the firmness, like it feels stuck on. Sorry, little man is in his bed there, so he may join the conversation at some point during this video. One thing, I think it's really great. I think it looks great. I think it works really well. The only con for me, honestly, because the price of it is amazing, it's only $8.99, and it's for a pot like this, which I think would last me such a long time. But I do think that having a spoolie like this, like a little, what do they call it? A honey dipper, which is basically like a mascara brush, and a pot, and having them separately for me is just a bit of a no, because I have a tendency of accidentally throwing things away, and if I lost that, I'd then have to kind of figure out how I'm going to use this. So what I would say is, as amazing as this is, and it really is, it works really well, it looks great, I would recommend that they either give you a few of these honey dippers, or they kind of figure out a way where it's actually an easier way of using it, whether they increase the size of the pot so the spoolie thing can be permanently in there, so then, you know, all you do is obviously open it up and it's already in there, so you can, you know, water, spin, use. Yeah, that's just probably the only con that I found, because I love the smell of it. But the packaging itself, honestly, I love that it comes in a cute little honey pot. I do think that, you know, I mean, for me, the stickers lift in here. It doesn't look as nice as the product actually is, if I'm being really critical. But the product is amazing, so who cares about the sticker, right? But yeah, the only con for me is obviously the brush thing, because, you know, I have a tendency of accidentally throwing things away, or if I left this on the side and didn't put this back in it, Gary would throw this away because he'd think it was rubbish. So it's just thinking about ways where I will now keep this away from the bin, and make sure that I obviously keep this from going in the bin as well. But also, I guess over time this gets really quite unhygienic. Like, you can wash it, but how long does it last for? I don't know. I don't know if on the website that they sell these separately. You probably could just go on Amazon and buy a load of little spoolie things. I don't know if I call them spoolies, basically mascara brushes. I actually don't know what the name of them are, but you can buy their honey dippers probably on Amazon, just if you want a bulk bag. So you can, if you do lose that, you always have something to obviously use this. Also, the idea of the little hole in the pot, the fact that I thought went in the directions that the hole that they meant was just the opening, is actually hilarious. But it's actually quite genius, and I think it's a really nice way to get those, you know, really big, intense eyebrows, but really defining them. I love it. I think it's fab, and well done to Pink Honey. I've never heard of the brand before, but now I'm really impressed. So I would definitely buy it again, and for the price, it's a no-brainer. So yes, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.